All right, guys, so if you're a modern leader who is ready for some mentorship and some personalized coaching to completely shatter and rebuild yourself back up to be the best version of yourself, then this is it. If you're listening to this, I may or may not have one-on-one coaching spaces available, as I only take on a couple of people at a time. So you might be one of two people. Either you have had some extreme success, or you have a business and you're running it and you're just like, I am ready to take my life to the next level. I've done the hard work, I've gotten to a certain period, and now the through and adventure of the business and success that I have created isn't serving me as much as I'd like it to anymore. How can I mature myself and have complete independence for everything that I want to do within my relationship, within my health, within my thrill, and architect a life for myself that is following along the king's journey to your completely upgrading who you are as a person, how you think, so that you can approach what you're currently doing differently with a new lens and new perception and understanding people on a completely different level. Or you're at that stage where you're building your business up. You're on this growth train right now and you don't want to sacrifice anything. You want to make sure that it's happening. You may have like, oh God, this might all burn down right now. And holy, I'm not 100% sure exactly what I want to do. Do I start a new business? Do I do this? There's like all these big internal questions. Do I focus on like my family and becoming like the best dad as possible, the best relationship partner as possible? Or do I want to take like a fitness and travel journey? Like I'm not sure how I'm feeling right now. As I have had experience with some of Australia's best entrepreneurs, Small Business Entrepreneur of the Year Awards, Marketing Agency of the Year Awards, CEOs of BHB Minds, CEOs of Shopify's and e-com websites and internet removalist websites, CEOs of small businesses and large businesses operating from a couple $1 million to $100 million a year, and understanding all the inner workings of their own minds and how the models and the thought processes and the accountability and the energetic and the pump up and the fun and the thrill for life that we can have, that we've applied to them and help them skyrocket success internally and externally, is essentially what we're going to help you with. Now, if you're listening to this, is understanding that my type of coaching is different to other people's types of coaching. I like to develop relationships with the people that I work closely with, meaning we will become really good friends. You have opportunity to meet all of my network. We'll have opportunities to connect and hang out face to face and also collaborate on a couple of things, which could be really exciting. Therefore, I'm extremely picky about you because we'll dedicate a lot of time for each other. So I have 3 separate packages and 1 extra bonus one that you can choose from. It may work from us, terming from least intensive to most intensive, and we can just figure out which one works best for you. You've probably already learned to commit to something for a long period of time, but we're going to do it again. I love the book, The Second Mountain from David Brooks, and we understand that there's a first mountain of life that we climb, which is usually some sort of success or fulfillment or happiness. Before we get to the second mountain, we have to climb the first mountain and then go down into the ditch, which is usually that sort of uncomfortable stage of where and what am I at and what am I doing and X, Y, Z. The second mountain is what we learn to commit to and climb so rapidly and getting to the top. So if you've listened to this video and you're feeling excited, I can tell you right now, I'm extremely excited. So if you're ready to take it to the next level, completely shatter your own sense of self and rebuild a stronger foundation and get to the top, this is your chance. This is your moment. Reach out and let's go.